alam mo, one day, mawawala din lahat ng mahal mo. Your kids will grow, your parents will get older, some friendship will fade, some dreams will change. Even the version of you today, hindi siya permanent. And that's the scary part. To love deeply is to accept na balang araw masasaktan ka. To build something is to accept na may risk. To trust someone is to accept na pwede kang ma-disappoint. Pero we still do it. We still love our partner kahit minsan hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan. You still pour into your businesses kahit walang kasiguraduhan. You still give your all sa mga anak mo kahit alam mong one day they won't need us the same way. Why? Because the experience is worth it. The late night talk, the first "Mama, I love you," the quiet wins na no one saw, the journey na ikaw lang ang nakakaalam kung gaano kahirap. Yes, loving will break you someday. But imagine not loving at all. Imagine playing safe. Imagine protecting your heart so much that you never truly lived. Mas masakit yon. So if one day this season ends, if one day something changes, if one day you cry because you lost something you once prayed for, let it hurt. Because that means you live. That means you love. That means you were brave enough to risk your heart. And for all of us building families, building dreams, building ourselves, that will always be worth it.